Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the running container named dog and ensuring you have permission to read systemd logs. Once confirmed, make sure the host exposes the journal, either bind mount /var/log/journal into the container or forward the journoctl socket. Do this now so you can stream logs live. You want read access, not root changes, set group, or ACLs if needed. This prepares the environment for safe journal retrieval and avoids later permission roadblocks. Once the environment is ready, run journoctl inside the container. Docker execute dog journoctl your service since 1 hour ago. If you left the journal on the host, use journoctl o JSON u container name or container name equals dog to filter. Use since / until to limit results and output equals JSON for structured export you can parse. If you need a portable file, add file equals /container journal or export to compress JSON for analysis. This gives reproducible, searchable logs. To finish, save the exported journal to a safe location and verify readability. Journoctl file equals container journal no pager. Once done, rotate or compress older files to save space. Make sure timestamps and unit names match your expectations so future queries work. If you hit empty output, first confirm journaled is running in the container or that the container uses the host journal namespace. Check mount namespaces and systemd status. If permission denied, adjust ACLs or group membership and retry immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.